Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I wanted to do a share of this die set that I purchased from HSN. It came in actually the same day that the Crafter's Companion layout box came in, but I just didn't get a chance to show it at that time. I wanted to do a separate video. And what I was doing is when I was purchasing the Crafter's Companion layout collection, I wanted to see also some dies for doilies. I had wanted to get one, so in my research or my search on the HSN website, I found this one. And so I already took it out of the package, but I'm going to go ahead and show it to you up close. It's from Studio Light, and it's Write Your Story. It looks like it's Jenine's Windful art collection, and it is this large doily, or large in the sense compared to the others. It's this little intricate doily, and then these two smaller ones. So they're about the same size, but they are different patterns. So those, and then it has these two corner pieces, which I think are identical. So these, I thought, besides using them in here for the frame, I could also maybe make some little corner pockets. So those are pretty. And then here's this frame. So I know the doilies were in there, but I could use this, cut this out also as if it was like a piece of paper. So there's that one. And then there's these two frames. So they're not straight edge frames, as you can see. They have, if I put it here, you can see it has that like indentations in them. So it's these 7 pieces. Actually, let me see, 7 pieces. But this is what the back looks like. So just to give you, what it looks like. And I am going to actually run this through my Spellbinders machine. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that. And I'll also show you how I use the magic mat. So let me go ahead and grab a piece of paper and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, so I'm going to use this piece of paper. It has like a marbled effect. Not sure if you can see it there. And it's just lightweight, like copy paper. And what I'm going to do, so with the Spellbinders, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So this is the new and improved Spellbinders Platinum 6 that I recently got. And to make the sandwich, it's this platform A, platform B. And what I like about it, again, it shows you what platforms to use. Then I'm going to use the magic mat. I'm going to put the paper and then the dies. So let me get that started here. So I've got this here. I'm going to put the paper facing up, and then I'm going to take the larger die, make sure that the cutting surface is facing down. I'm going to take the second one and also place that down just to get that border, because what I'm actually going to get is that thin border there. And then I'm going to place this section here. Just, it's got to go the other way. So that way there, and then I'm going to use these 2 corner pieces. Just go ahead and slip them in there. And I am going to take some tape and tape it down. I haven't been doing that, but I do want to do it with this one here. Just make sure. Get a little bit of an edge everywhere. And this is just some blue painter's tape. If you have washi tape or regular tape, you can go ahead and use that too. Just want to go ahead Okay, so I have that. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the cutting plate on, which is plate C. And I will do these separately because, again, I want this to be a whole piece. I'm going to bring this a little bit closer. And wait until you see what this looks like. All right, I guess I need to turn this so that I have this here. Okay, let me take that out. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and take this off here and take this off here. Okay, so I'm going to take these off. So here is what the middle section looks like. So it looks like, you know, like parchment paper, like a piece of maybe a torn scroll or something like that. Nice journaling area. Then here is I'm going to take off that frame first. So here is that middle frame right here. This is just the outer edge, so get rid of that. But then I want to show you how the magic mat helps retain those little pieces so they're not flying all over the place. And what I normally do is I just take some water, and I'll actually show you, and spritz it in a little wastebasket, and they come right off. But here is this piece. So let me go ahead and show you here what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that lace. So pretty. So that there, and let me just show you here. Yeah, so usually what I just do is, let me get that little bin. Where are you? Whoops. Just looking for, with my little waste bin. Okay, well, let me just get my little waste bin so I can show you. Okay, so this is what I just do. I just spritz it with a little bit of water, just like that. And then I just simply wipe it off, really simply, just like that. Comes right off. So no static or anything like that. How easy and simple. And so I'm going to go ahead and just take a towel and dry this off, but I want to show you what the doilies look like. I'll be right back. So I have here some double-sided cardstock. So this is thicker than this paper here. So I thought I would give it a try and see what it looks like. So again, I have my platforms here. Bring this over. So it's A and B, then the magic mat, the paper. I'm just going to go ahead and put this side up, but we'll see what both sides look like once it's been die cut. So I have this larger one here. I'm going to go ahead and put the smaller ones, let's see, maybe over here. I don't think I'm going to tape them down. I'm going to go ahead and put the cutting plate C on top. And I'm going to go ahead and run it through. Go ahead and get situated better. the way. I just love the way it folds up. All right, so I've taken the cutting plate off, and here are the dies. And as you can see with the magic mat, there's no little pieces stuck together. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off. So again, here's, you can use that as a template. Again, all the pieces are stuck here. So let's start with this little one. And so there's what that piece looks like, and that's what it looks like on the back side. Here is the next one. So this, I have this little hack. I don't have that pokey tool, but this, I don't know, I think a dentist had given it to us a long time ago. It was still in the package, so it was never used, but I just go ahead and poke that through like that, and the pieces come right out. So if I do have something where there's little tiny pieces stuck together, whether it's in the die or in the piece itself, easy peasy. So here's the other piece. And now let's take a look at the large die, large doily. So again, just easy peasy like that. So pretty. I can't wait to use these again in journals, maybe in cards. But okay, let me just go ahead and show you that. So look how beautiful that is. Go ahead and poke that out. And then again, same thing. Give it the little bucket here. So this is heavier cardstock than what I've used, so let's just see how this comes off. Again, look at that, really simple. Probably take a piece of tissue so it doesn't get on my fingers, but just so nice and easy it comes off. So just like that, real simple. No flying pieces. And don't have to use that static little powder bag. So there you have it. So let me go ahead and show you again what all the pieces look like. So here's the doilies. Probably should do it on the side that's dry. Here are the doilies. Right here. Then we have this piece with the corners. So pretty, look at that lace, love it. And then it also cuts out that main border right here, like that. So again, this is, got it from HSN, it's Studio Light, Write Your Story, Janine's Windful Art Collection Doily Slimline card. So again, 7 pieces there, and this is kind of like what it looks like. So I hope you like this. If you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Bye.